I'm going to show you how to improve Copilot output immediately using one simple concept. Let's take an example. I have this simple presentation, few slides for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I'm going to show you a before after. So directly, I'm going to go to New Chat and ask it to analyze the presentation. It did its job, all good. But I want better output. Now I'm thinking, what does Copilot need to know which will improve the output? Yes, it knows about your data. That doesn't mean it knows you. So we have to first introduce ourselves to Copilot. I deliver a lot of lectures, presentations, keynotes. Someone is going to introduce me because the audience doesn't know me. Same concept. So here is my intro. Some of you already know it. If you don't, pause and read it. So I copy this intro and paste it into a new chat, like a prompt, and it will give me some response. I'm not interested in the response as such. Scroll up, go to the prompt, take the mouse cursor there. It's going to show you a small toolbar which has, say, a bookmark like button. Click on it. Give it a better name, say my intro, and save it. Every time I am asking a specific prompt to Copilot, I want it to know about me because it doesn't have memory or system instructions like ChatGPT and other tools have. Microsoft is working on it. It will be released in July 25. And even if there is memory capability, it doesn't handle all scenarios. For example, I'm the finance director in one company, I'm a non-executive director somewhere else, and I also teach in a college. In all these three, the introduction has to be different. That's why this concept is still going to be useful. Next, let's do the after prompt. New chat, see more. Scroll down, prompt gallery, your prompts, and the prompt is still there. Click on it, select it. Copilot will just add the text in the prompt area. It will not submit it. Now immediately after that, press Shift Enter. Enter will submit the prompt. We don't want that. Shift Enter will give you a new line. Here I am putting the same prompt. Summarize the presentation, select the file. Now submit the prompt and see the difference. It understood what I do, so it's giving me better response. It's giving me ideas to improve it. In each of these items, it has gone ahead and added more topics because I had missed on adding Copilot completely. And finally, it's showing me related prompts which may improve the output even further. Concept is simple but powerful. Before you put your actual prompt, put your intro. That will give you more specific, relevant, detailed, actionable, and useful results. So try it out, give me your feedback, give me your comments, and share it with as many people as you can. To continue to learn more, click on the subscribe and bell icon. And finally, give me ideas for more videos. That's it for now. See you soon. Thank you.